All right, so here it is. And as you can see, it's just a simple dice rolling app. Down at the bottom, we've got all the different dice that you can select to roll. The shake mechanic is currently tied to the mouse movement. And when I click on the dice, it then rolls, it drops down and starts rolling. When it stops rolling, it then highlights the number on top. We've then got the D6, D4, D8, D10, D12, and each one of these dice you can reset and roll again. Now I know that there's probably 1,000,001 dice rolling apps out there already. I actually downloaded a few of them and a lot of them are pretty good, but majority of them are really basic, super simple apps where you even just have a picture of a dice and then the number on the dice changes to just give you a random number. And at the time of thinking about making this app, I was actually playing Baldur's Gate 3, and I wanted a simple project to get back into the swing of things. Now you might remember back as well in one of my previous videos, I talked about how my very first Unity project was creating a Liar's Dice app. And so I really wanted to go back to my roots and work on another dice related app. And so let's select a D20 and have some fun, give it a good roll, see if we can pass a check. Oh geez, only a 2? That's not good. Alright, so that's everything I have to show you for this project that I'm currently working on. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions or comments, make sure you leave them down below. And subscribe to my channel so that you can be up to date when I put out new videos related to this project and others.